Yo, what up YouTube? I'm doing a video on unboxing a box with a box and some newspaper. So here's our box. Very pretty, taped up a little bit. Very pretty box. Alright, so I'm gonna get this thing open. First I'm gonna grab this knife. And gonna slit it all open. Now it's open. See, the box is open, and there's a box inside of it. I need to slice that open, and see, box. And then open that up, and there's sweet newspaper. See, some ads on there, you know, $29.99, and then we got some more newspaper and postal sticker at the bottom. Let me get the postal sticker. There's the postal sticker. There's the newspaper. There's the first box. There's the second box. And there's the knife. Thanks for watching the YouTube video on unboxing a box, which has a box inside of it with some more newspaper in it. About 3 chunks of it. Subscribe, comment, and rate. And no lousy comments, please. Bye.